Hi, hi YouTube. These are both of my potato launchers. This one has a 2-inch chamber with I think three-quarters of an inch barrel on it. With a ball valve with like a piece of PVC pipe right here, half-inch maybe, I'm not sure. Whatever. With a hose clamp right there. And I'll be shooting that one in a little bit. This one is that one was my second one. This one is my first one. Painted all black. I actually like this one a little bit more because it's easier to carry around. Well, and the valve is a lot more better to move. Anyways, this is 1.5-inch piece of PVC pipe. Put a handle on there with tape or whatever. And this is an edge that I curved off so the potato can go in a lot easier. And I'll shoot this one off first because I like it more. So let me bring you over here. Okay, this is the one I'm gonna be shooting. I'm gonna go get the air pump. And all of these are air pumps. It has a bike valve at the end of all of my potato launchers. So what I do is close the valve, aim it so it's right there, and push it in. That was easy. Okay. And I'm gonna go get the rod that I put in there. Okay, this was just like some random pipe or whatever. Pushing all the way down. And with this one you can shoot bouncy balls out of it, so that's pretty cool. This one gets about 4 pumps in the barrel, which in the chamber. And okay, so this is, well, I'm gonna shoot this thing now. It's loaded. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. Okay, maybe sit that way. Okay, that's too much. Okay, hopefully you can see that. I'm gonna be shooting this over there. In 3, 2, 1. That shot, I don't know how, if you didn't see it, it shot that tree right there. So I'm probably gonna make another video of shooting that one over there or whatever. So bye.